Hi, everyone. Welcome to Math 110. My name is Zachary Beckstrom, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'd like to create what's called a welcome video, which is going to show you some of the important things that you're going to need to know, as well as important links, videos, PowerPoints, how to sign in to do your homework, and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started right now. So the first thing I did was I came up on my Moodle page here. So you should have a Moodle page for Math 110. This is Math, Measurement, and Literacy. So if we look here, we should have something like this. We click on it, and it will eventually bring up a new page, which has a lot of sections here on the left-hand side, as well as some things on the main page as well. So let's start with what do we need to know in order to navigate this system? Well, all of the most important things that you're going to need are all going to be under this Resources tab. It should be the third tab down on the left. So click on Resources. And there you're going to find the course syllabus, which has a lot of information in it. You're going to find due dates. You're going to find PowerPoint presentations, links to YouTube videos. We're going to find how to set up our homework through MyMathLab, the registration instructions. So all of these things will get you through this class. So let's first take a quick look at the syllabus. So you just click on that, and there should be a PDF there that you can open. So you go ahead and do that as well. And this will be the syllabus here. You notice that it's going to have a lot of important information, such as a phone number and email address to contact me at. Oops. It's also going to give a course description, talk about how we do grading, the grading scale, how much each assignment is worth, the number of tests, all this good stuff in here. I'll let you read that and see if you have any questions on that. It'll give how to withdraw, what the final withdrawal date is before you have to receive an F in the class, plagiarism, and very importantly, it also has the schedule. So this is the schedule for all of our tests, and all of the assignments in MyMathLab, those are your homework assignments, will be due the day before the test. So all of our tests are going to be on Mondays. They're going to be every week. They'll be open from midnight until the next midnight. So you'll have all day Monday, a 24-hour period, in order to complete each test. That means that the homework assignments for that test are going to be due at 11:59 the night before, so that Sunday before. So this should keep you on track. And let me show you a couple other things here as well. So if we go back and we go back here, just a moment. We're still on the resources page. I also have a course due date here, so you can click on that, and that'll also give you the due date for each one of the homework assignments. For example, the week 1 homework assignment is due by May 26th. That'll be 11:59 p.m. And the date for the test one will be that Monday, May 27th. Once again, it'll be available all day. So that's a great link for you to know when things are due. But once you get in the swing of things, you'll know that, well, all that week's assignments are going to be due by Sunday night, and the homework will be due by Monday. Excuse me, the test will be scheduled on that Monday. Please make sure you're doing your homework throughout the week, because if you try to do it all on Sunday night and for some reason your Wi-Fi is not working or your computer's not working, I don't accept late assignments, so you're going to want to make sure that you start that homework at least a few days before. I would try to get it done all by Friday night. That way, if you're having any troubles, you'll have plenty of time to contact me, and we'll work it out. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the next thing here. So I have For every section that we're going to be covering in the book, I'll have PowerPoint presentations as well as YouTube presentations. Let me turn this editing off here. So let's take a look at one of those. Let's look at YouTube presentation. So if you click on the file there, and you give it a second because my computer's slow, you'll notice that for every section that we're covering, there's going to be a YouTube video. You can just click on that, and I'll go through sample problems for that section, and hopefully that'll help you out there. And the same thing with PowerPoints. You click on PowerPoints, and there'll be a PowerPoint for each section as well, and then that should help. In order to do your homework, you're going to have to do that in My Math Labs. Here's a link for that, and here's some instructions on how to register for that. So these will be very helpful getting in. Once you get in, so this is what it looks like. Your course should be up here. It should say MAT 110, Math Measurement and Literacy Summer 2019. You click on that, and you should have, it looks very similar to Moodle, but you'll have a lot of options here on the left as well as your main page here on the right. It should tell you what assignments are due if you look on here on the front page, but it's very good to go over to Course Tools and Assignment Manager, and that should also give you all of the assignments. It should give you the due date as well as the test due dates, and this is how you'll go about doing your homework. There's other things you can kind of look around here. Another important feature of this is there's an e-copy of the book here, which is very helpful, especially if you don't have the hardcover book. You can click on a chapter and a section. For example, if I go to Chapter 2, Section 2.2, and I click e-text here, what it'll do is let's see, and I might not be able, let's go ahead. There we go. Sometimes you just have to allow that Adobe there. Sometimes you might have to download it if your computer's not up to date, and it will give you an electronic copy of the book, just like this. You can scroll through the pages through these arrows here. You can also go to any page you want by clicking here. So if you know that the homework assignment is on page 203, just put that in and it'll pop right up there. There's a table of contents here on the left that'll also help you navigate. This is how you look at the book, and go back to the main menu. So the main things that you're going to be using are the assignment manager, and if you're using this for the book, you'll look under chapter contents. You can also pull up your grade by going to the grade book, and there'll be quite a few other things you can do there. All right, so that should get you started. If you have any questions, the best way to contact me is through email. My email address is on the syllabus here, so let me pull that up again. All right, so it's at the bottom here, and it's zbeckstrom4061@vgcc.edu. I look forward to having a great summer, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.